Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Burger King sauce. Combine mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard in a bowl and whisk until smooth. Add paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and a touch of vinegar while tasting as you go. Adjust sweetness and tang with a pinch of sugar or a splash of pickled juice. Chill the sauce for at least 30 minutes to let flavors marry, then serve with burgers or fries. Start by placing mayonnaise in a medium bowl, then add ketchup and yellow mustard and whisk to blend. Sprinkle in paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder, whisking between additions. Add a splash of white vinegar and a tiny pinch of sugar, then taste and fine-tune. If it seems thick, thin with a teaspoon of pickled juice. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes so the flavor develops fully and pleasantly. Spoon the chilled sauce into a ramekin or squeeze bottle for easy serving at the table or on burgers. Keep the sauce sealed in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, checking for freshness before use. If any separation happens, give it a quick stir to recombine. For larger batches, halve or scale ingredients carefully to maintain the same balance of sweet, tangy, and savory notes every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.